Welcome to 1221 Bentley Park in West Knoxville off of Westland. Whether you are a gourmet cook or not, I think you all appreciate everything this kitchen has to offer. Sub-zero refrigerator, double ovens by KitchenAid, Wolf gas stove, plenty of counter space and cabinets. Over 3,400 square feet, 5 bedrooms, 4.5 baths, 3-car garage. Whether you are relaxing at the end of the day or entertaining with friends, that screened-in porch and private, professionally landscaped backyard is perfect. In addition to the kitchen and living room on the main level is the office right off of the front door and a half bath, as well as the garage conveniently located on the main level as well. The owner suite, as well as 3 other bedrooms, are located on the 2nd floor. Completely renovated bathroom. Relax in the soaker tub. Enjoy the large walk-in shower. Double vanities. Right next to the laundry room for convenience, with a sink and extra storage. Down the hall, bedroom number 2, facing the backyard. Bedroom number 3, which connects to a bathroom that opens up to the hallway. Bedroom number 4, facing the front, has its own ensuite. And if that's not enough, we go upstairs for more. The 4th full bathroom and 5th bedroom. Extra storage and a closet and lots of extra storage. And the bonus room with more storage on either side. Thank you very much for watching. If you would like a private showing, either call your buyer agent or give me a call. Thank you so much.